Hey everyone, it's Sam here, and today we are opening, sad face, box number 12. The last one has gone so quick. So we'll just take all this out. Oh, there we go. Box number 12. So now let's take a look inside here. I love this one. This is a 5x7 paper pad, 24 sheets of wonderful designs. There's a few festive ones, but I've tried to do it so that the majority of them are all year round, so we can use them next year, because I've got some more ideas that I'd like to share with you using the supplies from this Advent, not just through December. Just give you an overview on the front there, and I'll just fan them out so you can see each of the designs. So you've got 8 designs there, and you get 3 sheets of each. So you've got the lovely plaid, and you've got the swirly retro kind of print. You've got the fruits, which will tie in nicely with the stamp set from yesterday. You've got the polka dots. You've got the candy cane. You've got the stripes, which would be great now for Christmas, but also I think quite nice for masculine cards. And some more fruit, and then we've got that lovely gingham. So a really lovely pad, and I hope again this is something that you enjoy using. If you are on Facebook, I am going to be using this on Friday on my mix and match in the morning, but what I will do is I will transfer that video or that live over onto YouTube, so that those of you that aren't on Facebook, you can enjoy the project that I'm going to share there, and I'll be using these lovely papers. So once again, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who purchased the calendar this year. I have had an overwhelming amount of wonderful comments, some emails as well, from many of you just saying how much you're enjoying it. And for anybody that has purchased it a little bit later, I know some of you, there was a little bit of open stock that went back on sale on Craft Stash and it got snapped up. So for those of you that have got that, I hope you enjoy your Advent and get lots of use out of it all. So have a wonderful Christmas, everybody, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.